So very good morning to one and all. My name is Sahil Deochake-How from third year, and today I'm going to teach how to iron a shirt and fold a shirt. Now, as we all know, this is not an interesting topic. It's not. So I'm going to add a bit of humor in it. So let's hope the humor plays its role. So. So what do you need to iron clothes like or shirt? You need a shirt, you need iron, and for rich people it's three things, an iron board also. But for poor people it's just a bed or a table. So with this, you also need a soft base. So for a bed, it's already bed sheet, so you don't need. But for a table, you will need a bed sheet. So by the time it gets heated up, by the time it gets heated up, I talk about clothes in general. Like if you wash your own clothes, you will never take them for granted. Like you keep them like my precious, because as a hostelite, we all know that how much amount of effort goes in washing and then ironing the clothes. So you never take them for granted. And like washing the clothes, it's not a very sophisticated kind of a thing. Like like this, dirt will not go off by just doing like this. You'll have to do like all the thing. Like you would look like a hardest worker on this planet. Like you'll have to do this. So you'll never take your clothes for granted. And talking about the iron, I want to ask a question, like what is a similarity between an iron and a railway engine? Railway engine, what do you think is a similarity between them?
Both need electricity to start.
What now do you think?
It's required heat to run, to start.
Right. Okay, so the answer is that both are evolved from a coal-based equipment. Like the railway engine also used to run on coal, and iron also previously used to run on coal. So it's like a very big invention from coal to electric. So now you will also need a water bowl, so that when you are using your iron, the hot iron is a bit harsh on the clothes, so you need some water. Now I don't have water now, but and nowadays there are irons, steam irons, so they already have water in it. Now let's just start with the iron. First go with the collar. I always go with the collar first, and I always use a smaller surface area part of the shirt first. That there is a reason for it. So if you are done and when you are doing something which is of a large surface area, there may be a chance that the area which you have already ironed can get a bit crumpled. But after that you can just, thank you sir. So you can just redone it. So first the collar. go for the sleeves. Just be sure that there's only one line here. Like many a times it so happens that we wash and there is one or two lines, more than two lines. So it doesn't look good. So make sure you fold it in a very good way. Go with the second one. So once we are done with the smaller surface area portion, now the big ones. If you have all the time in the world, you can button up all the buttons. Or if you want to, you can do it alternatively. Save time. This way. thing we're done with the ironing. It's a bit old shirt, so some of the crumples will remain. Creases. Now to fold the shirt, take one of the sleeves and this half, give it a half, and then bring this sleeve down. If you want, you can again iron it. A well-ironed shirt will also have a line here. Same goes this way on the first folded part. We have a ready shirt. The shirt is a bit old, so it doesn't look that good. But if you have a new shirt, like once or twice used, you need to break. And then just fold the collar. The collar is also a bit old, so it's not that stiff. Or else a new color, a new shirt has a very stiff collar. Would stay. Yes. We have a fourth shirt.
Okay, now for the feedback, Sneha can probably and Jaydev Bhatti.
So like I think that it was a good activity altogether, and it was like I felt like I have learned a good thing from Sahil and the friend, and this like ironing a shirt I knew a bit like, but it was like the some new techniques I've learned, so it was a good activity altogether. Good side.
I think he was very well organized and very systematic. So I like his work. Clean and systematic.
Thank you.